Hello everyone, my name is Vickynicolee and welcome back to my channel. Today we are obviously doing Mystique in the 31 days of Halloween. So, I hope you guys enjoy and let's get on to the video. Hello my babies, today we're doing Mystique. I got this random brush, I think it's from Morphe, not exactly sure. Well, as you see, I am going in with the Lagoon blue from the Mehron Paradise AQ palette. This is a water-based palette. I feel like I say this in every single video, but I'm going to say it again. This is a water-based palette. So you put some water, it's kind of like water face paint. You put some water and you just go in and then it dries up and then you have to set it. So at first I started going in with Lagoon blue and then I started mixing it in a little bit with dark blue. There you see it. The dark blue gives it more of a Mystique look. Because I was trying to see the actual color, like that shade that she is, that looks kind of purple. Okay, now we're setting it. Now we're setting it with the Morphe banana powder. I don't really use this for normal setting, but I like this very much for Halloween setting. It doesn't give flashback for your face, but I don't know, the way it sits on my face, I don't really prefer it too much. I like it better on my body and for Halloween tutorials a lot more than actual glam tutorials. So again, going back in with the mix and then setting it. I don't show my setting my entire body, but I do set every inch over and over and over. I set as much as I can, and now I'm going in with the black. At first I was trying to like, oh, let me make all these cool shapes, and then I was like, let me just go in. There's no real actual shapes that comes to her body. It's kind of like just all over the place with different shapes and different sizes, and so I just wanted to paint it all black. Normally it's like a dark blue, but I wanted to stand out a lot more, so I did decide to paint it black. As you can see, I'm here just trying to draw the perfect circles, but there's no way to draw perfect circles when it comes to Mystique because all her shapes are literally just everything. They're not exactly perfect shapes. Okay, now we're going in with that mix again of the Lagoon blue and the dark blue on my face to make that beautiful Mystique shade. I used the P. Louise Primer in Rumor 2 to set my eyes, and then I'm going back in with, on my eyes and my face, back in with Neptune by Geek and the blue colors in the Morphe 35C palette. And of course doing my under eye and making sure everything's all blended nice and beautifully. And I decided to do it lighter on my high points of my face, so I'm just setting that again with the Neptune by Geek, and I forgot what brush it is, but that is definitely a Morphe brush. So I am applying the black on her face. Again, she does wear it as a dark blue, but I wanted to stand out a little bit more, so I chose black, and I'm just dotting it. There's some that I circle and there's some that I'm just like, let me just place it wherever I feel needs And then I start adding in little circles, adding these crazy shapes. So on her face, it's like, I don't know, this weird thing, and then she has these little lines on top as well. So I added that, added some little more dots because I felt it was incomplete. And I did do a mix between the dark blue and black for the lips, because her lips aren't really like a shade of any real lipstick. It's just, I think, more paint. So I decided to apply it with the paint as well. And of course, having to line it all because everything needs to be as beautiful as possible. And there you have it. Ooh, now for the orange. So this is the end result. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any of the characters you would like me to do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Join our little Halloween kingdom we got going on it over here. And love you guys. Bye.